This video I'm making because there is one craft that I found very difficult. That is needle felting. I tried it years ago, but it was pretty difficult. And I bought the rabbit cat. Let me see it from up close. Okay. Let me open this. What does it say? The tighter the wool, the less it floats. And the finer the finished project. Okay, oh, there's a link. I'm gonna look at that link. First I'm gonna look at the needles. It's a bit grubby, but... Oh, that's probably from the needles. That's fine. Oh, it's actually cute. This I got on... The link will be down below. This was, you know... I don't know, I think this was 16 or 9. Actually, it was not super expensive. So I bought this. So it has this little thing in it. I bought it from Amazon. This is not a sponsor post. This is also not an affiliate link. This is just me wanting to get this rabbit. I want to see an actual result of someone making this rabbit. That's what I want. Rabbit cat. So what do we have? We have the wool, the needles. We have more wool. Oh, we have the eyes. I'm not sure what this is. We have the eyes. We have this. I don't know what this is. And we have a little other something that I don't know what it is. Maybe that's for the rabbit, like the necklace kind of thing. Okay. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel. Oh, it goes really quickly. So we're first making the head. Oh, it's difficult because now I don't know how much. Okay, she's like using like how much? I think like this much. Well, we can add more, right? Large needle. Oh God, it's gonna take forever. So I think what she did, she made it like a little bit into a roll like this. And then oh, okay. And now we just go around and around. Oh God, it's gonna take forever. Oh, we're not even close. It is still not really like felt. It has all these little, you know, like things that like are wisping around it. So, okay, God. See, but this is the hard part about felting. I don't know, when is it, like, when are we like, oh, this is done? This, I'm just gonna go in rounds, I think. I think maybe that's the general thing, like, oh, you need to have, it needs to not have those wispies anymore, anywhere. Ow, oh God, it's dangerous. Is this actually the long one? Am I, no. I think this is the long one. I'm just gonna use an, is this one longer? No, this is like exactly the same size. I'm just gonna use this now. Maybe it will help. Okay, weird. I think maybe this one is better, but I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh wait, of course, there's more in it. Oh god, this is so typical of me. I did not even look at all directions. Okay, we are here. The amount of wool is sufficient. Do not take too much wool at once. Small size of wool poke can add wool. Once the size of the wool poke becomes larger, it can no longer be adjusted. Crap, I'm doing it wrong. So I already screwed it up in the beginning. I didn't look at the manual. I didn't see that actually. So, you know, we're at a great start already that I'm not really looking at everything. I was looking at the YouTube. But here, it's turning into a mess. Well, I'm just gonna do the heads. And here, wait. I'm just gonna do the head because if I'm gonna do all of this, like the whole thing, I'm just gonna, I don't know, be here all day. So let's only do the head. Okay, I'm gonna go to my original ball. Gluing this in the eye sockets. One. Second one, okay, learned from the first one. Don't get this off because it's part of the whole thing. Because the other eye is now a bit wonky because I thought this should come off. I'm impressed with this kit. I have to say, a lot goes into this kit. You have a lot of needles. You have way more wool than you need. You can definitely make something else for yourself, but for me, I'm gonna leave it at this. If you like needle felting or you want to give it a go, I think this is a really, good thing to try. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like if you like this video. If you want to see more DIY kits, because I love DIY kits and I would love to review them. So if you have something that you think, oh, I would always want to try this, but I don't know if I like it or I want to see it reviewed, then please share it in the comments and maybe I will review it.